Cold start. Hadn't been started all day. See how that thing popped out? I'm going to put this window up. $161,107 miles. Now, see if I can get out of this spot. A little tight. But I will tell you one thing about once you drive one of these dudes and the steering, the maneuverability of this dude is truly incredible. I mean, you know, they were built for the streets of Europe. Okay. We're on a very steep hill, my driveway, and to be very careful coming out of here. Did I not bring up our... Can't, I guess not. All right. Let's get this dude on the road. Power steering, armrests, and air conditioning, which we're going to put on right now to see how she operates. Now, if you're sitting in the back, but I want to tell you what, if you're on a long highway trip and you're out there on the freeway and it's 90 degrees outside and you're cruising along, even if it's not that hot, it's nice to have the air conditioning. Yes, it's blowing cold nicely. Anyhow. We're going to take this on the back road. Whoa! A little bumpy there. Now, I have driven this van from the tip of Cabo to the Canadian Rockies, and it has treated me beautifully. It's been over Yosemite Mountains and into the Alabama hills, down to Coachella and Palm Springs, Los Angeles many times. This road is terrible.